Hello, my name is Lhoussaine as a full-stack blockchain developer and smart contract security researcher. For any issue or challenges you are facing in a project, I am here to help you. Let me tell you exactly why. In blockchain, two things are critical: gas optimization and security, which unfortunately many skilled developer doesn't care about. And that's cost you a lot of money by wasting gas or get hacked. Our goal is to make your project optimize by combining two languages, Solidity and assembly. I'm also a security researcher, helping a lot of DeFis improving their security. This helped me to protect your project before this risk appear. On top of that, I'm teaching blockchain fundamentals in Udemy and also in YouTube, where more than 650 students learning blockchain from me. I would like to hear about your project, and most importantly, how can I help you? Thank you for being here and have a nice day.